AMPX stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Amprius Technologies stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video, and it's the only guy in this freaking space that has done 43,000 videos, documented them all, and shown you what's working and making money. No one else has come even close. I've seen what's printing. With this in particular, my call out here was very on point. Like, it gapped up the next day. Here is the before when I called it out, like 2 days ago, 13th of July.
Still
right?
waiting.
You sort of can't see it from here. It's a bad placement, but yeah, it was great. And I'm here to tell you that I was looking to double down. It sort of went without me. Biggest point here is that if the price pulls down and shows me a double break, I'm still looking for a great buy. But bro, randomly buying will just not be happening. And with AMPX, I've got like 3 results here in the Discord, so really nothing that I'll force or really do anything else. I'm just waiting for rules. And I'm actually quite excited about this, so I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.